back here at Smokin-Hoch. I'm just gonna go to town on Terrence Park, get these fucking bad studs out of here. So I gotta take these fucking ball joints off, steering knuckle and shit, drop this shit out of here and get that shit pulled off, pop these out and go to town on it. So let's get to it. Sure what size that is. Probably like a where is that? 14. Nope. 17. Yeah, feels pretty good. So yeah, that's probably the right one. Yeah. Yeah, this is a 14. Off just to get the fucking goddamn stupid wheel studs out because the people at the junkyard like fucking torched them. I'm like, really? Couldn't have just taken the lug nuts off and just left the car be? But no, we had to fucking cut them off with a fucking torch. At least they didn't fuck up the hub and all that shit, so I can at least salvage that shit. Tried cutting one out, but I was like, nah, this shit ain't gonna work. You're gonna fucking ain't got no room on the backside. It's too tight. It fucking run right into the fucking drum. There ain't no fucking room. It's bullshit. It's bullshit. There's nowhere to go. So you gotta take the whole fucking hub out just to get the stupid fucking studs out. I seen a video where the guy fucking shaves out the whole back of his hub. It's just like, oh my god, that is not exactly what you don't want to do. We're gonna leave your nut on there. Make sure your nut's flush. That way you're not destroying as little as possible when you don't have a fucking special V thing. Fucking pop that shit. I'm just gonna fucking take a hammer and just tap that shit out. But I just need 2 hands to do this shit, which kinda sucks. But let's get that bottom one loose. Bottom one joint. This is probably another 17. That one might be bigger. Or 19 at least. Did I get something out here this size? Yeah, 13 16ths. No, that's too big. Where's the 5/8 closer? I'm just close to 11 16ths. Let's go see what I got in the drawer. It's gotta be 18, at least an 18. I'll grab that one and the long one, just in case. 16th back, I don't need that. See if these 18s fit. Hopefully it's an 18, I hope it's not a 19. That's bullshit. Hey, it's the girl. Yeah, let's smack that shit. Let's get her done. Get away from that shit a little bit. Just gonna get it on. This is just getting hard with this fucking holding this shit and doing this shit at the same time. I wish I had a fucking holder. Yeah, I don't want to be doing such bullshit ass videos, but hey, fuck it. There she is. We're not beating too much up. Let's do my dead blow. Here's my dead blow first. We don't bust it too much. I don't know if I moved at all. These might come nicely, these might not. Find out. I'll try smacking on these bitches here. See if I can't just prop this phone. Damn, I wish I had fucking shit. There's some in my pockets. That'll keep it from falling down. Swing or punch on that. going 16 minutes. Alright. I'm gonna save you guys the hassle of fucking waiting. And just cut this and come back, edit it back in, I guess, or something. Stay tuned for more. Smokin' Hoch. I'll get these fucking ball joints pressed out.